Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mindset Mastery. Today, we're tackling a common struggle, making excuses. We all do it. We tell ourselves we're too tired, too busy, or not motivated enough to do what we need to do. But if you want to build real discipline, you need to stop making excuses and start taking action. Let's dive into some of the most common excuses and how to overcome them. I'm too tired. Reality check. We all have busy lives, but exhaustion is often a mental barrier. Solution: prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Schedule short breaks. Take frequent breaks throughout the day to recharge. Find energizing activities. Exercise. Listen to upbeat music or spend time in nature. I don't have enough time. Reality check. Time is a precious resource, but we often waste it on unproductive activities. Solution: time management techniques. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking to maximize productivity. Eliminate time wasters. Identify and minimize time-consuming activities like excessive social media use. Prioritize ruthlessly. Focus on the most important tasks and delegate or eliminate less important ones. I'm not motivated. Reality check. Motivation often comes after taking action, not before. Solution: start small. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Focus on the process. Enjoy the act of doing, rather than solely focusing on the outcome. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals with someone and check in regularly. I'm not good enough. Reality check. Everyone starts somewhere. Nobody is perfect from the beginning. Solution: embrace imperfection. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and reward your accomplishments, no matter how small. Learn from your mistakes. View setbacks as learning opportunities. I don't feel like it. Reality check. Discipline is about doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Solution: develop a routine. Consistency is key. Create a routine and stick to it as much as possible. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Reward yourself. Motivate yourself with small rewards for completing tasks. Remember, discipline is a skill that can be developed over time. It takes consistent effort and a willingness to challenge your limiting beliefs. By identifying and overcoming your excuses, you can unlock your true potential and achieve your goals. Call to action. Like and subscribe for more mindset mastery tips. Share this video with someone who needs a motivation boost. Comment below with your biggest excuse for procrastination and how you plan to overcome it.